Hey there, my friend. It's Henry here. Let me ask you something. Do you ever learn a new English word and then forget it the next day? Or forget it in 1 hour? Or even in 5 minutes? Yeah? Me too. Really? It happens to everyone. Last week, I met a student who told me, Henry, English words just run away from my brain. And you know what? I understand that feeling. Words sometimes feel like small fish. You try to catch them, but they swim away. Slip. Gone. But today, I want to help you catch those fish words. I want to help you keep them, hold them, use them. And don't worry, I will make everything super simple, step by step, slow and easy. Before we start, make sure you follow the show. Like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps this podcast grow, and it helps other learners too. All right. Ready? Let's begin. Today's topic is very important. Today, we talk about memory. More exactly, how to learn English words easily, and how to remember them for a long time. Why is this important? Because vocabulary is power. Words help you speak. Words help you think. Words help you understand people. No words, no communication. Many words, big confidence. So today, I will teach you simple memory tips, easy exercises, small habits you can do every day, and the secret to remembering words fast. These tips work for beginners. They work for busy people. They work even if you have a bad memory. Okay? Let's get into the main idea. Learning English words is not only about reading them. It's not only about writing them. It's about connecting them. Connecting words to pictures, to stories, to feelings, to real life. Think of your brain as a small room. If you throw many items inside the room, you lose them. Everything becomes a big mess. But if you put each item in a special place, you can find it again. Easy. Words work the same way. If you connect them to something, a picture, a story, an emotion, your brain says, "Oh, I remember this." So the goal today is simple. Make strong connections. That's the secret. Now let me show you how to do it. Tip 1. The picture trick. This is one of the easiest techniques. It's simple. When you learn a new word, picture it in your mind. Let's say the new word is bright. Close your eyes. Think of the sun. Think of a big light. Think of something shining. Your brain now says, "Ah, bright is like the sun." Connection created. Memory stronger. Another example, the word slow. Picture a turtle a small turtle walking slowly. In your brain, you now see turtle equals slow. Now, when you want to remember the word, the picture helps you. Try this with 3 new words today. Okay? Tip 2. The story trick. Stories are powerful. Our brain loves stories. Why? Because stories have meaning, emotion, movement. Let's say you want to learn the word angry. Make a tiny story. My cat is angry because I ate her fish. Funny, simple, easy to remember. Or the word quick. Create a mini story. I need to be quick because the bus is coming. You don't need a long story. Just one sentence, one funny moment, one small idea. When you remember the story, you remember the word. Try this every time you learn a new word. One word equal one mini story. Tip 3. The use today rule. This rule is very important, maybe the most important rule of all. If you learn a word today, you must use it today. Yes, today. Because if you don't use it, you lose it. So how can you use it? Here are simple ideas. Say it out loud. Write it in one small sentence. Send a message to a friend. Talk to yourself in English. Write a tiny comment on WhatsApp or Facebook. Use it in your daily thoughts. Example, new word, is comfortable. Say, my chair is comfortable. Or, I want a comfortable bed. Easy. Or word equals confident. Say, I want to feel confident. Or, I am confident today. Using a word makes it solid in your brain. Like glue. It sticks. Tip 4. The 5x repeat method. Repetition is not boring. Repetition is magic. Because repetition makes memory strong. Here is a simple rule I teach all my students. Review a new word 5 times on the same day. 5 times. That's it. How? Very easy. Review it in the morning. Review it after breakfast. Review it after lunch. Review it in the evening. Review it before sleep. Just read the word. Say the word. Use the word. 5 quick moments. Total time? Maybe 1 minute each time. 5 minutes per day. But the result? Stronger memory. Tip 5. The real-life trick. This trick is fun. You take a new word and you connect it to your real life. If you learn the word cold, touch something cold. A cold bottle, a cold spoon. Now say, this is cold. If you learn heavy, pick up something heavy. A bag, a bottle, a box. Say, This bag is heavy. Touch plus word shows strong memory. Real life is the best teacher. Use it. So what happens if you follow these tips every day? After one day, you remember the new words more easily. You feel a little more confident. You feel a little more excited. After 1 week, you have 20 to 30 new words in your memory. You can use them in real sentences. You start speaking faster. You feel proud. After 1 month, your vocabulary becomes bigger. Your English becomes stronger. People understand you more. Your confidence grows. You feel more free, more happy, more ready to speak. Small steps, big results. Let me tell you something important. You are not bad at English. You are not bad at memory. You are learning. You are growing. Every day, every minute. Remember, words are like seeds. If you plant them, water them, repeat them, they grow. Slowly, silently, beautifully. And you can do this. You really can. I believe in you, and I am here to help you. Okay? Now let me show you how to use these memory skills in real life. When you watch a movie, pick one new word. Just one. Make a picture for it. Make a mini story. Use it today. When you talk to a friend, try using one new word. Just one. Even if the sentence is simple. Simple is okay. When you travel or shop, look at real objects. Say the English word. Bag, bottle, door, light, cold, heavy, comfortable, easy. When you walk outside, describe things in your mind. The sky is bright. The road is long. I feel calm. Tiny sentences, instant practice. When you feel tired, repeat one word. Just one. Small steps still count. Always. Okay, let's review. Here are the key ideas from today. Use pictures. Make a picture in your mind for every new word. Use stories. One tiny story makes the word stronger. Use the word today. Don't wait. Say it. Write it. Use it. Repeat 5 times. Morning to night. Just 1 minute each. Use real life. Touch objects. Look around. Connect the word to your world. These steps make vocabulary learning easy, simple, strong, fun. My friend, thank you for listening today. I am proud of you. You are working hard. You are learning step by step. And every step matters. Remember, you can learn English. You can remember new words. And you can speak with confidence. If you enjoyed this episode, please follow, like, and share Confident English Cast. It helps the show grow, and it helps more learners just like you. Come back tomorrow. Join me again. Let's keep learning together. Take care. Stay positive. Stay confident. And keep speaking English. One small word at a time. See you soon. Bye for now.